والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها.
سمكة means
Fish.
حوت means
Whale.
تمساح means
Crocodile.
حسان البحر means
Seahorse.
نجمة البحر.
Swordfish.
أحسنت.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Who is with us today? What is your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Ibrahim, you have very nice hairstyle. Yes? And such a big smile. Ibrahim, do you like to eat fruits?
Yes.
What is your favorite fruit?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay, tell me names of the fruits that you know.
Apple.
Apple.
Banana. Orange. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Watermelon.
Do you like to eat kiwi?
No.
No. Why? It is sour? A little
Yes.
bit. Do you like to eat strawberry?
Yes.
Strawberry, what is the color of strawberries?
Red.
Red. What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
What is the color of watermelon?
Green.
Green. And what is the color of kiwi? It is
red.
same. It is same as your coat. What is the color of your coat?
Brown.
Brown color. Outside it is brown and inside it is green. Good job. Do you know animals that live on land?
Yes.
Tell me.
Cat.
Cat,
Giraffe.
giraffe,
Camel.
camel. Who says woof woof?
Dog.
Dog. What does a cat say? What does a cat do?
Meow.
Meow,
Meow.
meow. Do you know the animal that you ride?
Horse.
Horse. That's right. Okay. What is your favorite animal?
Horse.
Horse. Have you ever taken a horse ride?
Yes.
Where?
Usemark.
Wow, you have been to Usemark. Okay. Do you know some of the water animals?
Yes.
Tell me water animals.
Turtle. Shark. Whale. Octopus.
Ooh.
Fish.
Ooh.
Dolphin.
Dolphins.
Fish.
So many animals you know. Do you know seahorse?
Yes.
There is also horse in the sea. Do you
Yes.
know that? What is it called? Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Looks like a horse. That's great job. Okay. Do you know any rhyme? Do you know I hear thunder?
Yes.
Tell me.
I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I am wet through.
I am wet through. Do you know teddy bear, teddy bear?
Yes, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school.
Great job. Do you like to go to school?
Yes,
What is the name of your school?
Muslim Cubs.
Muslim Cubs. Who are we?
Muslim Cubs.
Muslim Cubs. Okay. Do you know colors?
Yes.
What is the color of your hair?
Black.
What is the color of your coat?
Brown.
Brown. What is the color of sky?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Do you know Jack and Jill?
Yes.
Tell me.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Do you know Humpty Dumpty?
Yes.
Tell me.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All licking his horses, all licking his man. Could it put Humpty together again?
I'm a little teapot.
I'm the little
Sorry.
teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spot. When I go steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me, pour me out.
Just tip me over and pour me
Me out.
out. Great job. Do you know months of the year?
Yes.
Tell me.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July. August, September, October, November, December. Let's say hi.
Great job. Tell me the days of the week. Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Everybody so beautiful. Ting ting, ting.
Do you know wheels on the bus?
Yes, wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, and round,
Oh.
all through the down.
Do you know? Okay. Do you know parts of the body?
Yes.
Tell me parts of your body. Head.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth, nose.
Good job. Show me your chin. Where is your chin? Show me your neck. Good job. Show me your hands. How many fingers you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Do you know counting from 1 to 10 in Arabic?
Yes.
Tell me.
واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة وعشرة.
Good job. Do you know fruits in Arabic?
Yes.
Tell me fruits.
تفاح موز برتقال وعنب.
Good job. Do you know vegetables?
Yes.
Tell me vegetables.
لفت باذنجان ملفوف جزر وفلفل.
Tell me the fingers in Arabic.
خنثر بنثر الهثى سبابة إبهام هادي اسم الأصابع.
Tell me parts of the body in Arabic. رأس.
رأس شعر عين أنف أذن فم لسان إصبع يد رجل قدم هذه أعضاء الجسم.
MashaAllah. Good job. Do you know animals in Arabic?
Yes. جمل حصان ونمر غزال بقرة وفيل.
What is feel? Big animal.
Begin.
What is that animal called? Is it horse or elephant?
Elephant.
Elephant. What is hisanun?
Horse.
Horse. Hisanun is horse. Great job. Do you know kalima shahada? Tell me louder kalima
Yes.
shahada.
كلمة شهادة أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Great job. Which surah you are learning today?
سورة الشمس.
You memorized up to Surah Shams.
Yes.
MashaAllah. Tell me Surah Shams.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح زكاها إذ انبعث وقد خاب ما دساها كذبت ثمود بذكرها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول ناقة الله وسقياها فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها.
Huawei.
مسلم كابس.
Huawei.
مسلم كابس.
ما شاء الله أحسنت.
Huawei.